Hi, I'm Victor. Today, let's find out about the different holidays happening on April 28th. Get ready for a fun time with friends and family or just enjoy some quiet time by yourself. Happy birthday to everyone celebrating today. You may find a holiday below that's just right for your special day. National Superhero Day. National Superhero Day is celebrated on April 28th every year. It was created in 1995 by Marvel Comics employees as a way to honor superheroes, both real and fictional, who have inspired, entertained, and made a positive impact on people's lives. The day is dedicated to recognizing the heroes from comic books, movies, and television series, as well as those everyday heroes who work selflessly for the betterment of their communities. On National Superhero Day, fans celebrate by dressing up as their favorite characters, sharing their favorite superhero stories, and engaging in discussions about the importance and impact of superheroes in popular culture. National Blueberry Pie Day. National Blueberry Pie Day is celebrated annually on April 28th in the United States. It is a day dedicated to honoring and enjoying the delicious blueberry pie, a classic American dessert. Blueberry pie is made with fresh or frozen blueberries, sugar, and spices, all baked together in a flaky pie crust. It is often served with whipped cream, ice cream, or a drizzle of lemon glaze. On National Blueberry Pie Day, people celebrate by baking and enjoying blueberry pies at home, sharing their favorite blueberry pie recipes, or visiting local bakeries and restaurants that offer the dessert. It is also an opportunity to appreciate the history and cultural significance of blueberry pie, which has its roots in early American cooking and is often associated with summertime and outdoor gatherings. National Great Poetry Reading Day. National Great Poetry Reading Day, celebrated on April 28th each year, is a special day dedicated to the appreciation and sharing of poetry. This day provides an opportunity for poetry enthusiasts and newcomers alike to engage with the rich tapestry of poetic expression that spans different cultures, styles, and generations. It highlights the power of poetry to evoke emotions, inspire creativity, and foster connections among people from all walks of life. To participate in National Great Poetry Reading Day, individuals can explore new poems or revisit their favorite works, attend poetry readings at local venues, and share their love for poetry with others through social media or personal conversations. Clean Comedy Day. Clean Comedy Day, although not a nationally recognized day, is a concept that promotes and celebrates family-friendly humor. Clean comedy is a form of entertainment that relies on wit and creativity without resorting to offensive language, explicit content, or controversial topics. It is an inclusive and accessible type of comedy that can be enjoyed by people of all ages, making it an ideal choice for gatherings where diverse audiences are present. To celebrate clean comedy, people can organize events featuring clean comedians, watch performances from their favorite family-friendly comedians on television or streaming platforms, and share their favorite clean jokes or comedic moments on social media. By supporting clean comedy and encouraging others to appreciate this form of humor, individuals contribute to a welcoming and positive atmosphere in the world of entertainment. In doing so, they help foster a sense of unity and understanding among people from various backgrounds and with differing sensibilities, showcasing the power of laughter to bring people together. National Arbor Day. National Arbor Day is celebrated annually on the last Friday in April in the United States, with the goal of promoting the planting and care of trees. The holiday was founded by Julius Sterling Morton, a journalist and politician, who felt that the Nebraska territory, where he lived, was in need of more trees for various purposes, such as windbreaks, fuel, and building materials. The first Arbor Day took place on April 10, 1872, and it is estimated that about 1 million trees were planted on that day. Today, National Arbor Day encourages people to plant and care for trees, recognize their importance in our lives, and appreciate the many benefits they provide, such as clean air, erosion control, habitat for wildlife, and natural beauty. To participate in National Arbor Day, you can plant a tree in your yard, participate in a local tree planting event, or support organizations that work to protect and plant trees in your community and around the world. Global Pay It Forward Day. Global Pay It Forward Day is celebrated annually on April 28th. The day is inspired by the concept of paying it forward, which involves performing acts of kindness for others without expecting anything in return. The idea is that the recipients of these acts of kindness will then pay it forward by doing something kind for someone else, thereby creating a ripple effect of compassion and goodwill throughout the community and beyond. The purpose of Global Pay It Forward Day is to inspire individuals, communities, and organizations to embrace the pay it forward mentality and engage in acts of kindness to make the world a better place. People are encouraged to perform both small and large acts of kindness, such as buying a stranger a coffee, helping someone carry their groceries, or volunteering at a local nonprofit organization. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.